What's the best beach in Jamaica? Who is the best reggae artist of 2021? We ask you these questions and more. Here are the results of the 2021 Best of Jamaica in Jamaica.
All right, so we are moving on to Jamaica. Now we're going to start with the best tourist attraction places in Jamaica. The winner, Dunn's River Falls. Everybody loves Dunn's River Falls. All right, now the best overall beach in Jamaica, Negril. The best hotel in Jamaica, Moon Palace in Ocho Rios. The next question and the winner, best restaurant in Jamaica. I agree with this one, Gloria's. The best jerk chicken in Jamaica, the Pork Pit in Montego Bay. Congratulations to you. The best escovitch fish in Jamaica. No surprise here. Prendi's, Hellshire Beach. The best Jamaican reggae artist alive. Beresford Hammond, my favorite. Congratulations to you, sir. The best television personality host in Jamaica. Neville Bell. Congratulations. And then the best Jamaican reggae music video of 2021, Godong Day by Spice.